January 1st, 2023.
As of today, AI, artificial intelligence, will be the core of our business. And here's the reason why.
As an entrepreneur or business owner, you know that building a startup or business can be a daunting task. You have to come up with ideas, do market research, build products, advertise to customers, and provide support. Often, you have to do everything yourself, especially if you don't have a lot of cash to hire help. It can be overwhelming, especially if you're trying to do everything on your own. But what if there was a way to streamline your work and get some help from technology? That's where artificial intelligence comes in. AI can be a valuable asset for online businesses. By integrating AI technology into your operations, you can automate repetitive tasks, improve customer service, and even generate new ideas. For example, chatbots powered by AI can handle customer inquiries, freeing up your time to focus on other tasks. Machine learning algorithms can analyze data and make predictions, helping you make informed business decisions. And natural language processing can be used to understand and interpret customer feedback, allowing you to constantly improve your products and services. At Smarting Goods, we understand the power of AI. That's why we've integrated it into our network to help us create valuable assets for our clients. It's allowed us to streamline our work and focus on growing our business. At smartinggoods.com, we have always been dedicated to creating beautifully designed and user-friendly websites for our clients. Recently, we have been exploring ways to take our business to the next level and provide even more value to our customers. That's why we are excited to announce that we are now integrating AI technology into our services. With our new AI-powered tool, we can now offer realistic voice narration for our instructional videos on YouTube. This means that our customers can easily follow along and learn how to use our website builder with clear and concise instructions delivered in a natural-sounding voice. Not only does this make the learning process more enjoyable for our customers, but it also allows us to create even more high-quality content for our YouTube channel. We are always looking for ways to innovate and improve, and this is just one example of how we are striving to do so.